Hello everyone, so today I've brought Sage Apothecary essential oil from Amazon, which is 100% pure and organic lavender essential oil distilled from lavender flower and help in relaxation, tension relief, sleep, hair growth, skin care, hair care. So let me tell you some direction to use this oil. So first method is add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a moisturizer and apply it to your skin. Lavender oil works to kill bacteria and this can prevent and heal acne breakouts. It unclogs pores and reduce inflammation when you put it on your skin. In second method, you can dilute lavender essential oil with any oil or a serum. Massage the oil into your hair or scalp. You'll experience lavender calming and loving scent as well as some scalp healing effect. In third method, add few drops of lavender essential oil to warm water. Soak your fatigued hand or feet for 10 minutes or take a steam bath or a bath. Great for immediate relief from flu, sinusitis or sudden anxiety and stress. So this lavender essential oil has lots of benefits. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.